two desks which are very important in the banking sector. First is ALM desk, which is called as asset liability management. The asset liability management actually, it's a very important and crucial desk. It matches the cash flow inflows, deposits, loan repayments with cash outflows, withdrawals, bonds, redemptions. So the goal of the asset liability management is to ensure the liquidity. So no customers here sorry, cash nahi hai, right? So that's the main goal of the asset liability mismatch. So that's the role of the asset liability ALM desk in the banking sector, in the banking organization. Second is the trading desk. Trading desk usually invests surplus cash and runs a treasury book actually, bonds, currency, derivatives. So the main goal of the trading desk is on extra return but stay within risk limit. So think of ALM as the family accountant who actually balancing income and expenses, and trading as the cousin who invest any leftover cash in the market. So that's a sort of the analogy I want to give you so that you can understand these two desks, which are quite crucial and very important, and the roles of these two desks in the banking sector.